Tata Motors presents the new Ultra. The future is now. With style and design that is carved for the future. New generation instrument cluster with indicators for fuel, distance to empty, trip KMPL, water in fuel indicator, brake and clutch wear indicators along with air pressure monitor for increased driver safety, seat belt indicator, equipped with economy indicator for higher operating efficiency, digital clock, neutral position and reliable combination switch. With best-in-class comfort and safety features that are ideated and executed with impeccable detailing. All-new world-class cabin. Comfortable seating for 3 occupants with walk-through cabin. Best-in-class interiors and exterior trim parts for higher productivity and safe environment. Tilting, telescopic and adjustable steering column. Floor console with cup or bottle storage provision. Pillow trims with door pads. Fabric seats with integral headrest. Adjustable and wider comfortable seats. Storage space below co-driver's seat. Armrest. Additional glove box and various other delighters. Tested to enhance new levels of safety. Hydraulic tiltable cab. Collapsible steering. Meets all future safety regulations. Passes the Pendulum test as per European safety standards. Equipped with Domex 650, the strongest chassis in its class. Improves structural life. It truly exhibits the next generation of performance. A range of indigenously developed engine options, tried and tested 497 range of engines and next generation common rail engines with different capacities for varied demands. Lowest NVH levels. Bigger clutch, improved clutch life. And launching for the first time in India, NG gearbox with cable shift for reduced driver fatigue and overdrive gear that ensures increased fuel efficiency. Best-in-class turning circle radius. And also, for the first in India, introducing power steering with drooping characteristics that increases driver safety at higher speed. Better stability and safety at high speed. Better control on straight roads. Low aspect ratio tires for efficient braking and better handling at higher speeds. Improves fuel efficiency. Front disc brake for efficient braking. Increased tire life for operating efficiency. Dash mounted gear lever. Higher load margins. Better fuel efficiency up to 15% over existing range. With the freedom of choice in payloads. GVW range from 5 tons to 15 tons. Multiple deck length options. Advanced design flexibility for better speed to market. The Ultra range will cater to all possible applications at various tonnage points and load bodies to cater to diverse applications with multiple feature options to choose from that will be in sync with the changing market demands. The new Tata Ultra sets a whole new standard of mid-range trucking in India. The future is now. Presenting the new Tata Ultra.